If you're looking for healthy but ridiculously delicious recipes, this is an easy Mediterranean salmon with the most incredible combination of flavors and textures. To start, mix some thinly sliced garlic, chopped capers, lemon zest and juice, olive oil, paprika, and Calabrian chili peppers. Grab your salmon fillet, season it with just a pinch of salt, and pour over that mixture. Pop it into the oven or air fryer, then top it with some more flavor and crunch. This is a perfect protein and goes with practically anything. Full recipes in the caption. Check it out.